There are 10 people kulo mhlaba that truly know izimfihlo of this world. There are people kulo mhlaba that me and you kumele sithandaze that we never get to meet in person. And she is one of them. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, this is uMichelle Lame. Yo, asiqale. uMichelle uMshele. You see, uMshele wazalwa ngo-1944 eJory, owase-France. Understand ukuthi i-background yakhe ithi she studied law and worked as a defense attorney before leaving illegal world to practice i-performing arts, i-arts ne-fashion ngawo u-1980. And then she moved to Los Angeles ngo-1990 to go to... Honestly, it's very hard to find uMshele. uMshele doesn't exist. She exists, kodwa futhi she doesn't exist at the same time. Angazi ngichaza kanjani lento. For some reason, umlando kaMshele avungatholakali. For some reason, they have fabricated, angeke ngisho ukuthi a lie, but impilo yakhe ukhona yena, but akekho at the same time. Unemali, but imali yakhe awukwazi ukuyitrace ukuthi isuke laphi. Let's continue. If you Google her and try to find out the source of wealth yakhe, bazokutshela ukuthi in Los Angeles she opened a Bohemia, a nightclub restaurant called Los Stuffers Coffers, which became a hotspot for artists, musicians, celebrities. She's also married to Rick Owens, who is also a designer enkulu emhlabeni, and together they formed this fashion powerhouse and they generated to understand ukuthi who Michelle really is, kumele sibuyele back to the very beginning. Khumbula ukuthi I told you about the pyramid, and I told you ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama sithanda isenta ye-pyramid because it involve imali, it involve fame. uMichelle yena exists at the top of a pyramid, and yena she is responsible for running lokho kusesenta, which involves ama-celebrities, ama-musicians, ama-artists, ama-actors, anything ekwi-spotlight idlula kuyena. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi labantu abazifihli, they hide in plain sight. It's just that mina nawe, we did not pay attention until now. So manje thula ubuke as I show you the truth ukuthi ugogo akaze ayifihle. She was hiding in plain sight.